We fell out of love like.
We're gonna be reacting to.
I got kicked out of Ikea with Liza.
Can you stop? This is my time.
Alright guys, before we watch this video with you guys, we have a YouTube channel for two kids. If you guys want to check it out, we put the link in the description down below. You take too long, jeez.
Okay, look guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I feel like I'm running out of ideas. Not running out of Ikea, ideas. Wow, that's the most exercise I've ever done for an intro.
We love her, guys.
Yeah, she's so funny. Yeah.
Yo, what's up, guys? That was aggressive. What up, guys? It's your girl Liza coming at you. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, today I really feel like going out and buying a chair, but telling everybody I bought a Dukenschnitzel. So welcome to Ikea with Liza, baby.
Yes! Oh my god.
Oh shit.
The editing is always on point.
What is the song?
She definitely does this one. Like, there's no one at the store. You see, it's like empty.
No, she'll probably do it in front of you. She doesn't care.
Here we are at
No, but what I'm saying is more comfortable
So
for
I don't
her.
actually need anything from Ikea. I need it to go work out. Some people go
What?
to the gym. I go to Ikea. Now, speaking of the gym, Ikea has a restaurant. And it's so conveniently here, at the end of this maze. It's basically a really long line for a restaurant. Man, your wait time will be 2 hours, or however long it takes you to get through this. Challenge accepted.
Ikea's like, if you want to buy
It's
something
so
in
nice
the
in
store,
there.
yeah, but it's a hustle, like, you know, to get the stuff that you need.
What, a lot of people you mean?
Yeah, like they should have not a lot of people. But they should have like whatever you want from there right there next to it. You know what I mean?
Oh, you mean that you have to walk around a lot?
Yeah.
The balls on this earth make me this happy. My family and I used to come here all the time. And I always wondered why we were coming to a furniture store and never buying furniture. We only came for the food. There was even a time when my dad would lie to the cashier about my age because 8-year-olds and under got to eat free. I was 18. You know, things that taste great give you gas. And these meatballs, they're fantastic. Let's go back into the store and crop dust the rest of Ikea. Whenever people come around while I'm filming, I'm like, okay, act natural. Someone walks in and says,
She's
hilarious.
good one.
Pocket-sized shopping buddy.
Hi, I've been assigned to you.
Okay.
Now, if you guys thought I came to Ikea and I couldn't make any puns, don't worry, I got this. Baby, I've been wanting to tell you for a while now, but you're the best of Hey, we should collab sometime. Maybe we should collab. Whoa, guys, look at this chair. It's real nice. Hey, babe.
Oh,
Hey, babe.
what are you doing?
Sorry, you don't like me dragging this on your face? Woo, David,
Oh my god, she's good at the puns.
Oh my god, would you look at all these colors? Who can put this together?
Colors.
John will do it. Hey, David.
What's going on, dude?
Sorry, I went to left, man.
Oh.
Hey, we should probably get a couple of these.
Should I wax my beard or my mustache?
I don't know.
Or should I wax ball?
Hey, Fidelis. Yeah, that's it for this one. You getting sassy with me? You getting sassy? You're being a smart asshole? Now that is one good-looking girl, I'd say. This may be too soon, but I think you're beautiful. Some people don't take me seriously, but they don't realize I'm an
You
actor.
said compliment.
Then he leaned in and whispered in my ear.
Dude, this blanket is so soft.
Oh yeah, it is. I feel you.
Hey, you like my ball, man? Oh, this just in. Now we got new chair pads. Hey,
Wow, she's really good at that.
She is amazing. She should get her own show. I would definitely watch it.
Yeah.
Slaying the game.
Liza, come on, I want to go.
Enough, David. Put a cork in it. Wow, so that was it, guys. That's all the puns I got. That's all I got. That's all I got. That's all I got. That's all I got. Have you guys ever had fun? Yeah, me neither. But I have done this. So that's
Holy
all I
shit.
have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up because I'm lactose intolerant and I'm gonna blow up Ikea. And I'll see you guys next Wednesday with Liza. Bye.
I love when she does that. Bye.
Hi. I know. So, no, we're rolling. Okay. I mean, you're welcome to shop. Just don't like that.
Wow.
So
She got
guys,
kicked
I brought
out.
it outside. Rub what? You'll see.
Oh shit, she got it. Holy shit.
This is so crazy.
Guys, this fridge is so nice. I think I just nutted.
like that.
Sit on me. You wanna come inside? You recording?
What the fuck?
He was like, you wanna come inside me?
Well, she's fucking nuts.
Yelling in every store.
She's like, are you recording?
Oh my god, my face is dry.
So your panties on. I wanna know, like, who distributes these yelling children.
I bet you she makes her boyfriend smile all the time
Yeah.
because she's such a goofball.
Oh.
The people who are watching from the cameras are probably like, what the fuck is going on, right?
Yeah, but like, what the fuck is she on something?
They probably think that. She's hilarious though. We love her. And if you did enjoy this reaction, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll be putting the link in the description down below. Make sure you check that out till next time.